Welcome back to my channel. I am the Electrified Latina, and today I'm going to introduce you and give you my first impressions on this very exciting 24-inch tire e-bike, dual motor, 2000 watts that gets up to 35 miles an hour. But before we dive in, let's roll the intro. First of all, thank you so much, TUTTIO, for trusting the Electrified Latina and sending this e-bike for us to review. Now, this is very exciting, guys, because this is a dual motor e-bike, and this is the very first e-bike I've ever had or tested with dual motors. It also has dual suspensions. The battery is UL certified. Wow. And this is an extremely approachable e-bike because it comes with 24-inch tires. So it's a lot easier to throw a leg either through here or even through here than a 26-inch e-bike. I'm happy to say that the bike came without damage. It was very well packaged, and they threw in a lot of goodies for us. So number one, so we got a phone bag over here that attaches to the handlebars. This is really cool because you can put both a cell phone and then you can also put things like tools and everything. So very well thought out. And it also comes, let me show you right here. So it comes with a bike lock. Whoop. It comes with a bike pump. It comes with, of course, it comes with tools, all the tools that you require for the assembly, and then a charger. Okay, so this is a 2-amp charger. I wish it was a little bigger, but it'll do. Okay. And then, okay, the bike is $13.99 at the time of shooting this video, but they gave me a code for you guys to take an extra $100 off. So if you're interested, it will be linked down in the description below. I've been inspecting this e-bike because of its incredible price point. Guys, it's like $1,300 for a dual motor 2000 watt e-bike. It's incredible. So I really like its design. I do like more of an integrated battery, but this is pretty cool, and I like how this top bar comes down, again, for more accessibility. The paint, come check it out. So I really like, it's really well done. It's very nice. It's like a black with gray and white. I also love that this is my very first e-bike too that has like this like white wall on the tires. It makes it look really elegant and really classy. And then of course here you have your front motor. Then you have dual suspension for the most comfort. And then it comes with a whole package. So this is an electric mountain bike, but it still comes with a full package for commuting. So plastic fenders, a rear rack. And I'm also, this is one of the things that I noticed right away. Look at the size of this chain ring. It's really big. This is a 52 tooth. So we're going to be testing that ghost pedaling, but I don't think you're going to get any. So yeah, I wanted to show you the seat has some springs underneath and it feels very plush. All right, guys, now all there is to do is go out and take it on a test ride. I have to admit, I'm a little bit nervous because, again, this is my very first time on a dual motor e-bike. So let's go. Guys, before we go outside, I just want to show you one more thing, the lights, okay? So lights out. Woo! Oh, I don't have the right button. Come on, baby. Okay, there we go. So front headlight, it's a big rounded one. It looks pretty darn good, if you can see right there how it illuminates. So I think it's gonna make me feel safe to go right at night like that. Now, let me show you the brake light. This is super bright. I like it a lot. And then of course it's a brake light too. If you press, right, it's going to blink. And lights back on. Bloop, bloop. The horn, okay? This is the loudest horn I've ever heard on an e-bike. And this is so good because this is a fast e-bike, so you need to be heard, right? So, check this out. What? Oh, wrong button. I was pressing the dual motor button. That's a hunk. That's like impressive. I love it. Okay, so far I'm loving it. Okay, for real, let's go ride. Guys, I am 5'11", so I want you to see how I look next to the bike. And I can just throw a leg through this like kind of mid step here, go on the pedals, and then go up on the seat. So pretty accessible. So let's go. We're gonna start on single motor. So single motor, the acceleration is very gradual. And yeah, I have it on pedal assist 1. We're gonna go up, pedal assist 2. All right, nice jolt of power between 1 and 2, but smooth. It is smooth. Okay, so first things that I'm noticing here, okay, so this is an e-mountain bike, so the bars are really low. I don't know if you can see, I mean, I have my seat at the proper leg extension, but see how much I'm hunching over? So the stem is really short and then the bars are flat like on a mountain bike. They're nice and wide though, I like that. This is gonna be really good. All right, so let me get behind you and then I want you to see how I maneuver here. Let's try it out. So yeah, these are 24 by 4 inch tires. I'm really curious. Okay, so they definitely feel more nimble, not as bulky as the 26 inch tires, but obviously not as agile as the 20 inches. I think that this is gonna be a really good compromise. You know, as far as like giving you comfort and that feeling you get with 26 inch tires, like you can go on top of any kind of terrain, but still more nimble than the 20 inch tires. All right, so single motor. So right now we're on rear motor and this is 1,000 watt motor. So I want to see if it feels more powerful than all the other. Oh yeah, it does feel more powerful than the 750 watt motors. This is really smooth, the pedaling and everything. It's nice and quiet too. Let me go up to number 4. Oh yeah, woo! Another big jolt of power. I'm going 24 miles an hour and no ghost pedaling. Okay, here we go. Nice little curve. It turns really well. Handle's awesome, guys. Oh my God, I'm already liking this bike a lot. Okay, let me give it some cookies. There's a little bit of a delay. I am noticing that delay of power. Okay, let's crank it. I'm on speed gear 7. Gonna bring it down to 6. 24, and let's go all the way to 5. And there it is, a little delay for the engagement. Up to 7. Woo! So 25. I have a feeling that you're gonna go up to like 28 on single motor. All right, so let's make a right here. I'm still on speed mode 5. The the bike came like a little bit over half charge, which is nice because you can start riding it right away. Okay, I have a straightaway. Let's go hard, John. 1, 2, 3, and go. I want to see how fast we can get on with the rear motor only. Woo! 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28. Yeah. So yeah, I was thinking right, 28 miles an hour on single motor. Guys, now we're gonna go dual motor. Okay, so you just have to press the button. But I'm gonna go down from 5. Okay, PAS 1, dual motor. Come on, it's taking a little bit to engage. Huh? Come on. Maybe I'm not feeling it very. Okay, that's 2. Okay, there we go. Number 3. All right, here we go. Yep. Woo! That's number 3. Number 4. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. 24. Woo! Okay, let's go to number 5. Speed mode 5. Huh. I'm not feeling Okay. Oh yeah, 29. Oh yeah, there it is. Wow, guys, this bike is so quiet. I can't believe it for a dual motor. Okay. I'm gonna be saving the top speed run for the full review, but I just wanted to do a little test. Woo! 29. Okay, let's see over here. 30. 30. All right, guys, so it only let me get up to 30 miles an hour. I feel like there's something that's limiting my power. The dual motors have a lot more power in them. I can just tell. It can go way faster than 30. I mean, yeah, like I said, like a good 35. So, but that's a good thing. That's what we do the full reviews for. I'm gonna talk to the company, see how we can unlock it. I'm gonna do a brake test, okay? 1, 2, 3, and brake. These are hydraulic brakes. Not very grabby though. I am not impressed with the brakes, but ooh, there's a, okay. All right, guys, so my final thoughts on my first riding impressions of the TUTTIO Seeker24 are, let's talk about the positives first. The seat is so comfortable. I love it. It has the perfect amount of cushion, the perfect amount of width without being too wide and still allowing for like really nice pedaling. Okay, so that's like number one. Number two, I love the front suspension. It has a lot of travel. Like, look how it moves. Really nice, really nice. I love the color display. You can see it on bright sunlight. Okay, so things that I don't like. Well, I was expecting more power. Okay, so I'm sure there is some kind of setting where we can unlock maximum speeds, because single motor, well, it's capped at 28 miles an hour. That's normal, right? Class 3 for a 1,000-watt motor. But then when I engage the two motors, you can tell that the power is cutting you off, and that it can go, it's way more powerful. It can go like way over 30. So this is a good thing that we test our products here in the Electrify Latina channel, because then we can work out the quirks and test the bike thoroughly, so we can make a really nice in-depth full review for you guys. So that's missing. And then the brakes. I am not impressed by the brakes at all. They just stop slower than other hydraulic brakes I've tried. So I'm gonna see if my mechanic can do some like tuning adjustments to make them better. Maybe they're just like very like cheap generic hydraulic brakes, and the pads are probably of low quality too, but we'll be testing that out. Other than that, guys, I love the size of the tires. Like I said, it's feeling like a really nice compromise. This ride is really comfortable. And yeah, so there you go, big battery. I'm very excited to be putting this e-bike through its paces. We're gonna be doing a lot of off-roading and crazy things on the full review. Guys, thank you so much for coming along to another one of the Electrify Latina videos. I will be seeing you tomorrow, back for another video. Always remember, whatever you're doing, happy riding! Woo!